Hello there, I'm designer Gail Monica Dent, offering you a view into the making of an open entertainment kitchen and family room. Let's begin with designing a new kitchen. This 1988 Seattle area home was dark, cramped, and dated. Like many of us, this family spends a lot of time in the back half of their home, and they wanted more space for entertaining. Adding an extra 195 square feet provides exciting potential. Working with their wish list, the clients and I collaborated together on space planning. Moving the cooktop off the island and placing the new range on an exterior wall for superior ventilation was high on their list of must-haves. A backsplash of glass tile continues all the way to the ceiling for a fresh, uplifting look. Lacking cabinet space, they had resorted to hanging pots and pans over the island, which made the kitchen feel even more confined. Extra deep drawers next to the range and in the nearby island provide perfect storage for their pots, pans, and lids. This island also has space for cookbooks. A large pantry for food items and small appliances is located in the center of this wall, with specialty storage features included. For continuity, all the kitchen walls have the same glass tile backsplash. His coveted bar entertainment area on the left holds a wine chiller, a beverage fridge, and includes lots of cabinet space. On the right is her requested dedicated breakfast prep area. Close by is an island prep sink for making morning fruit smoothies. She wanted the island to have clearly defined prep and dining areas. The quartz counter serves as the prep area, while the gorgeous L-shaped walnut countertop is their dining surface. A microwave drawer is conveniently tucked out of sight at the end of the island. As empty nesters, this couple wanted a cozy dining spot. A bump-out nook was designed to contain a walnut floating table and benches, providing them with a lovely spot in the garden while still within the comfort of indoors. There were concerns about how the floating nook would look, so a rendering was created to provide a better vision for the proposed idea. The floating nook concept was a hit, and they are thrilled. Time to design the family room. One of the many goals was to ensure that the family room design and decor would appropriately follow the kitchen design, creating a seamless flow between the rooms. It was time for the wood-burning red brick fireplace and heavy cabinetry to go. Similar kitchen design elements are carried over to the fireplace wall, coordinating colors and materials. The new gas-burning insert with contemporary styling is surrounded by soft gray stacked limestone. The use of floating cabinets and shelving open up the fireplace wall to make the family room feel even more spacious. New furniture, along with new accessories complementing their existing collections, offer an invitation to come in, sit down, and enjoy. The enlarged kitchen and family room now offer a beautiful and spacious entertainment area. The dream remodel is complete. The delivery of creative design, along with unsurpassed service, generates a successful remodel and very happy clients. If you have enjoyed the transformation in this home and are longing for an updated open kitchen concept of your own, please give me a call. I would love to have a conversation with you about transforming your home with a remodel of your dreams.